welcome back to another video, the first of 2025. I'm out to try out some new kit, and this camera is one of the bits. It's GoPro 12. I got it last year after I did a hike with a friend, and it was a bit shaky and the sound wasn't so great, so I decided to upgrade. Still going to use that for certain things, but this will be my go-to for doing lightweight stuff, but I'm giving it a try today. The other thing I'm trying out is I have an Outhaus Oxley Swag. I don't know if you can see that there. I got that last year as well, and with everything that happened, and basically last year I ended up getting a hernia and couldn't go out and do anything. It was on the day we were meant to be going camping here, so I couldn't meet Carl and Steve and everyone else. But this is the first camp I've done since I think September last year. Haven't really been up to it. Still waiting for surgery, but I've got to get out, got to do stuff. So tonight is the swag for the first time, so I'm going to get it set up. Right, there we go. It's all up. 6 pegs in total. Had to use some camp-made wooden ones for the guys because the ground's so soft around here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Bit of a coffin, but it's bigger than some tents I've slept in. I went for this one because it's got this pole bit set up here, top and bottom, which gives you a lot of headroom. I don't like stuff hanging in my face, and so it's I like to be able to roll over a bit as well and not feel like I'm completely wrapped up. So right, yeah, just looking here. The good thing about this is the bag that it comes in has a lot of space, so you can kind of get your bedding inside this before you come out. You don't have to put everything in as you get here. It does come with a mattress, but it was quite a thin one, so I'm going to order a bigger one for it, a thicker one. But for the time being, I've got my air mat. I just need to blow it up. That's in here. But I've got my expert air mat, sleeping bag, and a wool blanket. And I've got my thermals because it's going to be a bit chilly tonight, but I think I'm going to be quite toasty. The other thing I like about it is, if in the summer you don't want to have the cover over, you don't have to. You can just have the bug net, and that'll be fine. I am going to put a tarp over it just as a bit of extra protection, because I know these aren't like meant to be out in full on rain. I don't think there's going to be any much if any tonight, but I just want to take that risk for a first time tryout. So right, I'm going to get this completely set up and then take you around it again. All right, there we go. Air mat all blown up, helium pillow in there as well, so I think I should be quite cozy in here. So in here there's some storage pockets, good for keys, wallet, phone, all the rest. The only thing I would prefer this to have, which it doesn't have up here, is some sort of hook, because my Flextail mini pump, as well as a pump, there's a little like lantern, and I would quite often hang it in my other tents. It'd be quite handy to have there, just save me having to have a torch on the ground shining up. So yeah, I might have to see if I can stitch something in there myself, because I'm not sure how I'm going to get around that. Right, I'm going to get the tarp up and then give Carl over there a hand with the wood. He's already started a fire. He's cooking tonight, which is good. Gets me off the hook, and he is in the Lavvu. It's his one with a skirt, and he's got a new stove he's going to be trying out, so you look forward to see how that goes as well. Where do you get the stove from?
Really expensive.
Temu?
Temu, yeah.
Stove from Temu. How much?
40 quid.
40 quid. I spent more than that making mine. So we'll see how that goes, or if Carl will be joining me in the swag later when he's burnt his tent down.
If we survive.
Yeah, well, if you survive. I'll sit in it for a bit by the door. Right, there we go. We'll sit up with a little a Bush Pro tarp, I think it is. Yeah, OEX Bush Pro tarp. Got it from Go Outdoors, quite cheap. Used it a few times, quite a good little tarp. Bit of a weird size, but it's got lots of tie-up points, as you can see. And but yeah, it's perfect for this. Should have bought the magic carpet to put my boots on and everything outside, but I'll make do. And the main bag that the whole thing comes in, I'll probably rest my rucksack in to keep it off the ground. I've got a rucksack cover there, and I might even get my boots in here as well, so I'll just put that over here and I'm good to go. Right, now on with some campcraft. Just getting your new hairstyle in.
God knows what hairstyle it's in at the moment. It's got to be mushrooms, isn't it?
Yep, it's what, about 7:30 now? Is that what we thought last time? You are there. You are there. It's I think I'll go brighter still, but
No,
then
it's
I'm
gone.
gonna.
It's gone 7:30.
Is it? Nearly 8.
Yeah, 10 to 8, I think.
Nearly bedtime.
5.
But
yeah, definitely. Let's...
yeah, Cole cooked a lovely tea. Took a little while because
Except for the asparagus.
The woods. Even though we've got a wood store here, it still got a bit damp, and it's just been not burning particularly well. Went out and found some dry standing, but even that was damp. It's just everything's damp. So
the world is damp.
we're just having a couple of beers, chatting, putting the world to rights, and in a bit we're gonna fire up the tent stove and go in there for a little bit before retiring to our separate beds.
Yeah.
So, oh hello. Well, that's great, isn't it?
Has it died?
No, it's still going. I don't know what was going on there, but maybe it is. It's probably died. We are in Carl's Lavvu with the stove, which is burning away there. It took a bit of getting used to getting the balance right between here, and all this was glowing at one point. Unfortunately, I didn't get that on film. It was a little concerning, but I think we've got it right now. The door is open, so it's toasty. It's toasty in here. There's quite a lot of room, although not enough room for a seat. So we're both sitting on we're both sitting on Carl's bed at the moment, but and we're just having a Rocky Road. This one is, stout. Yep, so we're having that. And then we've got one more to have in a minute, and then it's bedtime. But yeah, this is toasty. It's very nice.
Definitely can.
Right, that's me all tucked up in here. Don't know if you can see. This is. I've got a fair bit of room here. Tapers down. There's a vent there, so hopefully it won't condense up in here. Hopefully I'll get a good night's sleep. I'll see you in the morning. Good night. Morning. Yeah, slept fairly well, and as you can see back there, there it is. It did rain in the night. So I'm glad I had the tarp up. One, because the noise would have been deafening if it had been right above my head, just in there. And two, not so sure of its waterproof capabilities yet. But yeah, there we go. I was comfortable enough. It wasn't too claustrophobic. I did open the zip slightly and allow a bit of air in, because I did feel a bit stuffy just to begin with, and then as it got colder I closed up again, because it was quite a strong breeze just going across my face. So yeah, I sorted that out. But yeah, on the whole, quite a good night's sleep. We'll use it again. Would I use it again in the winter? I don't know. Maybe if I had a better bag, because trying to have a wall blanket in there and trying to keep it on top of me in a tight space was a bit tricky. But yeah, I'm definitely will use it again. I do like it, and I'm quite looking forward to trying it in the summer when I can have it open and just look up at the sky, but still have a bug net over me. That'd be nice. Yeah, Carl slept well in his. He I woke up this morning, he had the fire going, because he just wanted to be warm as he got up, which I don't blame him. And he's over there now boiling a kettle. He's done it, right. Coffee's up, right. Right, we've had breakfast, packed everything away, just doing the last few bits now. I've lots of plans going forward, and depending on how I feel with myself and when I ever get surgery, hopefully they'll come to fruition. See you on the next one. Cheers.